In today's digital age, one skill stands out as essential, mastering Excel. But with so many features, where do you even begin? We've all been there, facing the vast ocean of cells, formulas, and charts, feeling overwhelmed. But what if you could navigate this ocean with confidence? What if you could go from feeling lost to being the captain of your Excel ship? Introducing Excel 365 Basics from Zero to Hero, your ultimate guide to mastering the world of Excel. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to hone your skills, our comprehensive course is tailored for you. Meet Johan Berling. With over a decade of experience in data analytics and a passion for education, Johan has trained thousands to navigate the digital world of spreadsheets and data. A recognized Excel guru, Johan doesn't just teach, he transforms. His unique approach blends in depth knowledge with real world applications, ensuring that every student emerges not just informed but empowered. Excel is more than a tool, it's a canvas where data comes to life. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Dive deep into the core functionalities from basic data entry techniques to creating compelling visualizations, from crafting dynamic charts to automating tasks with macros. And the best part, by the end of this journey, you won't just be an Excel user, you'll be an Excel champion, ready to tackle any data challenge thrown your way. Let's dive into what's in store. We kick off with a fundamental understanding. It's like building the foundation of a house. Here, you'll become familiar with Excel's landscape, understanding its core tools and capabilities. Next, you'll dive into customization skills. Tailor Excel to fit you, transforming the workspace to resonate with your style. As you immerse deeper, gain proficiency in data management. Whether you're handling small data sets or massive sheets, you'll navigate them like a pro. Then embrace formatting expertise. It's not just about input, it's about making data look great and tell a story. We'll also ensure you're print ready, making your on-screen artistry replicate perfectly on paper. And speaking of artistry, get ready to breathe life into data with charting skills. From bar charts to pie graphs, tell compelling stories visually. We'll venture into Excel's heart, demystifying complex formulas and making intricate calculations your second nature. Your time's precious, so we've integrated efficiency tools, boost your productivity, and become the Excel speedster you've always wanted to be. In essence, this course is your transformation journey. By its end, you won't just be performing tasks, you'll be understanding the why behind them, ensuring your growth is not just linear but exponential. So, why wait? Unlock your full potential and elevate your Excel game. Enroll in Excel 365 Basics from Zero to Hero today and transform your data dreams into reality.